In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync contacts between TeamGate CRM and Mailchimp and give you a quick overview of TeamGate CRM so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. Make sure you stick around until the end because I'll also share an exclusive offer for a better solution that can help you achieve more with your contact management. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. First off, syncing contacts between TeamGate CRM and Mailchimp is a great way to streamline your marketing efforts. Both platforms offer unique features, but syncing them ensures you're always reaching out to the right people with the right message. However, it's not always as seamless as you might expect, so I'm here to walk you through it. Next, let's talk about how this integration works. TeamGate CRM allows you to manage your sales pipeline, track leads, and analyze data. However, getting your contacts from TeamGate into Mailchimp can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with their interface. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure you have both accounts set up, TeamGate for CRM and Mailchimp for email campaigns. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is export your contacts from TeamGate. Head over to the Contacts section in your CRM and choose the option to export your contact list. This will give you a CSV file with all your contact details. But keep in mind that the process isn't always straightforward. TeamGate can sometimes create extra columns that can throw off the import into Mailchimp. You'll need to clean up the file a bit to match Mailchimp's required fields, which can be time-consuming. Next thing, let's look at Mailchimp. You'll need to import that CSV file into Mailchimp. Once in Mailchimp, go to your Audience tab and select the Import Contacts option. Then, choose the file you just cleaned up from TeamGate. Here's where you can get tripped up. Mailchimp requires your data to be in a specific format, and mismatched fields can cause issues during the import process. It's a good idea to double-check that everything's lined up correctly before hitting the import button. The fourth thing, if you're looking for a more automated way to keep your contact list in sync, you'll need third-party tools like Zapier to create an integration between TeamGate and Mailchimp. This lets you automate the flow of new contacts from TeamGate to Mailchimp without having to manually export and import files. It's definitely a time saver, but keep in mind that Zapier's pricing can add up if you need advanced functionality. But here's the thing. While TeamGate does offer a solid CRM for managing your contacts, syncing them with Mailchimp isn't as seamless as it could be. The manual export-import process, combined with the occasional data mismatch, can make the whole thing more of a hassle than it's worth. That's why I'm recommending an alternative that will give you a more unified experience. And before we wrap up, I want to remind you that we have an exclusive offer for an extended free trial of the best CRM software for your needs. Plus, the alternative I'm recommending is better at syncing contacts, and it integrates much more seamlessly with Mailchimp. Through our link, you'll get the best trial available and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, if you're tired of struggling with the TeamGate Mailchimp sync or looking for a more powerful solution, make sure to check the link in the description to get access to that extended free trial and some other amazing alternatives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.